Hey Jack, what's one of our new favorite shows because of Olivia?
Sesame Street.
Sesame Street. We love watching Sesame Street. We actually
Yes.
do. It's pretty funny.
Yeah.
And what's our new favorite character?
Elmo.
Elmo. And we're drawing Elmo today. We hope you're excited and we hope you're going to draw along with us. All you need is a marker, some paper,
Papers,
and something
some
to
coloring.
Yeah, something to color with. We're going to use red and orange are the two simple colors, right?
Yep.
You ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay, now because we're using a marker, we're also using more than one sheet of paper so that our marker doesn't soak through and get onto the table. We're first going to start by drawing Elmo's nose. Elmo's nose.
Elbows.
I think I said elbow. Elmo's nose up here at the top so that we have room for his whole body. And we're going to start up here. We're going to draw, it's kind of a raindrop shape. So we're going to draw a line that comes down. Well, it's an oval, but kind of has a point at the top. Kind of drew it, but it's also squished because his head's tipped, if that makes any sense. You could draw it longer if you want. Yeah, just like you. Okay, now we're going to draw his eyes next. We're going to draw his pupils. We're going to draw a circle over here, and we're drawing part of it touching his nose. And we're going to draw another circle over here, and we want them to be the same size, and both of them are touching his nose. Yes, kind of looks like Mickey.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're going to draw a smaller circle in the top right of each of the eyes. This is going to be the highlight so his eyes look shiny. Color in the big circle but leave the little one white. Now, if we ever go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video if you need extra time. Okay, now we got to draw the top. His eyes are a lot bigger than this. We're going to start right here. We're going to draw a big circle that comes around, but we're not going to draw the entire circle. So we're going to come around like this and then stop when we get to the bottom of the pupil. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Draw a big circle that comes around and then stop down here at the bottom. That's because we got to draw his little fuzzy, he's furry. He's a little fuzzy monster, isn't
Yes.
it? So we're going to draw zigzag lines, and we don't want to draw him too jagged. We want to draw him soft so he looks cuddly. We're going to start right here next to his nose, and we're going to draw a little zigzag line that goes over and connects to the outside of his eye. And it goes a little past his eye and then stops. Yeah. Now we're going to draw the shape of his head. We're going to start right here on the side of his eye. And we're going to, this is going to be fun, practicing our zigzag lines. And we can draw them kind of messy. We're going to draw a circle that comes around like this. I'm going to start back over here next to this eye, the right eye, and do the same thing, come around and then connect. Here we go. There's this Elmo head. He's a red monster.
Yes.
He's not red yet. We're going to have a lot of red coloring to do at the very end. Now we're going to draw his mouth, and we're going to start on the side, and we're going to draw it slightly curved so that he looks like he's smiling. Now we're going to do the same texture, the same line too. So we're going to start here on the side of his cheek, and we're going to draw zigzag that comes all the way across and then back up so he looks like he's smiling. Yeah, good job. Now let's draw the bottom of his mouth. We're going to draw it open. We're going to draw another zigzag, comes down, looks like a U shape, comes all the way across and then back up. Yeah, good job. Now we need to color in his mouth black. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it so that you can take the time to color in your mouth also. Now we're going to draw his body. We're going to do the same texture line, and we're going to start right here under his chin, and we're going to draw a little round body that comes around, under, and then back up to the other side, and then connect into his chin. Good job. Now let's draw his legs. We're going to draw another zigzag line that comes straight down. And then we can also draw another one right next to this one. We're going to draw one on each side. So we're going to draw another zigzag that comes out here and another zigzag on the right side. Now, this is going to be the fun part. We're going to draw his toes.
Yes.
We're going to start right here. We're going to draw the bottom of his foot, and we're going to curve around and then do his toe. Toes. Then we're going to draw another toe right next to this one. We're going to draw, it looks like a backwards C. Yes. And now we're going to do another one. Kind of running out of room. That's okay. We're going to draw another one that comes in and connects. My toes look a little funny. That's okay. They're furry. They're fuzzy. Now we're going to repeat these same steps over here, but the other direction for his left foot. So we're going to start here in the middle, come around, and we want it to look the same as the other one. Curve around, and we're going to draw a C shape. Yes. Then we're going to do another one, his second toe that's overlapping. And then we'll do one more to connect into his leg. All right, what's our Elmo missing?
Arms.
Arms, yeah. Let's first start. We'll draw one side of his arm coming out. We're going to draw him hugging, looking like he wants a hug. Good job. Now let's draw his thumb. We're going to draw an upside down U shape, but we're drawing it zigzag, just like everything. This is fun. I really like it's good practice with our zigzag lines. Then we're going to draw his finger. First finger coming out, it's going to be a sideways U. Then we're going to do another finger. It's just like we did down here on his toes. We're going to draw another finger and one more finger, so he has 3. And it's going to come in close to right where his wrist is going to be. Yeah, you can keep coming. Yeah, there you go. And then we're going to zigzag into his body. Is that awesome?
Yeah.
I like this. I like this lesson. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to repeat the same steps over here. And this we'll do a little faster since it's all the same. Exactly the same steps except flipped on the other side. So we're going to do the thumb. Well, that thumb's a little smaller than this one over here. That's okay. Then we're going to do his first finger. Then we can do his second finger. And then remember to pause the video if you need extra time. We'll do the third finger, and then we'll come into his body.
Whoa, I did a straight line on that.
Good job, dude. We did it. We finished drawing Elmo. Now, if I were to redraw Elmo all over again, I'd probably draw him so his head was exactly like yours. So it looks more round. Mine's kind of an oval shape, but it's okay that our drawings look different, right?
Yes.
The most important thing is
To have fun.
to have fun and to
Practice.
practice. Now, except we're not completely finished with our drawings,
Yes.
right? What do we still need to do?
Color him.
Yeah, we need to color Elmo. He'll look so much better colored in. Now this part we're going to fast forward again, but at the end you can pause it to match the same coloring. You ready to use our red color pencil?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. All right, Jack, we did it. We finished drawing and coloring Elmo. He looks so much better colored in.
Yeah.
Yeah, now he's really just red, a lot of red.
And orange.
And orange for his nose, but I used some brown to add some shading underneath his chin and also his body.
And under his mouth.
Yeah, under his little
And in between his.
yeah, on his little cheeks. But you could leave that off to keep this lesson a lot easier.
Yeah.
Now, it's okay that our drawings look different. We already said that. But it's okay if our art friends' drawings look
different, too.
different than ours, right?
Yes.
Because the most important thing is
To have fun.
to have fun
And to practice.
and to practice. We'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.